Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the FLABOX triple flame torch lighter. Now, if you haven't already checked out my previous video, I did already make a video on a FLABOX torch lighter, but it was a quad torch lighter. So I will be leaving that link at the end of this video, so make sure you stay till the end. But pretty much this is a triple torch lighter. Now in this video, we will be going over the packaging, the design and the features, the performance, and then finally my overall thoughts. So let's just get straight into it. So like my previous video, it's pretty much the same exact style. It comes with this soft material on the sides, and then the branded plate on the top, and then finally the lighter in the middle. I have no complaints with the packaging. It definitely makes it look a little more expensive, which is never bad. Here we have the lighter. So just like my previous lighter review, they also have 3 different colorways. In this one, they have the silver, the gold, and the black. The one you have here is the black. So this is pretty much a gunmetal with the carbon fiber print on the sides, which I think look really good. The silver one is pretty much silver in the middle, and the print is actually a different type of carbon fiber style, but also a carbon fiber. And then the black one, I really don't know. I will be leaving the link in the description so you guys can check it out yourself. But pretty much this is actually my first carbon fiber style lighter, torch lighter that I have, and I have to say I really like it. Now, just like my previous lighter, I did already have this for a couple of days now, and I've been using it consistently. Honestly, no problems at all. Here we have the triple torch lighter. We also have a hole punch on the bottom side, and just like the other lighter, this is also a much bigger hole punch than your average, which is also a plus. I will be leaving the dimensions in the description below, but pretty much it looks very nice. I'm actually really enjoying this lighter. It does have kind of this reflective middle band that goes all the way around, and then they have the carbon fiber sides, which I really like as well. Very consistent. So as you can see, it ignites every single time, no matter what. Very strong, very consistent flames. So overall, I think this is a very good option if you're trying to go for the more modern look. I think this is a very cool carbon fiber style that looks very good. And overall, the performance is very well. As you can see, it always lights, no questions. And the fuel window is actually pretty big, so you can actually see the fuel. If you're interested in this particular lighter, I will be leaving a link in the description below. But with that being said, make sure you follow, and I'll see you in the next one.